So, you guys want to know the secret to how I build my apps? I'm going to show you. If I knew nothing about AI and I want to build something in AI and I have a product for people to buy, this is what I would do. I would go to the only prompt. I'm already on here, so I would sign in. I would open this, which is the builder. I would make it big. And I'd be like, I want to build a really cool 90s themed app that will be for building chatbots. Integrate OpenAI API for the chatbots. Make it so that way you can build chatbots. So create the builder for building a chatbot, and then every time you build a chatbot, it populates the dashboard. Make it a sidebar dashboard app. It's that easy. Just like that. Now, let me go look at the code. Come down here. Where's our Open API? OpenAI API key right here. So let me go get that. And put that right here. Bob.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Bob, you are a master at Facebook advertising. You know the meta suite like a complete god. Bob, you know the meta suite for Facebook ads like you are a god at Facebook advertising. When it comes to running an ad, you know exactly what to do. Just like that, we set up a bot builder. Look at how easy it is. You can sell this now. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the other side.